Hi everyone, it's Mr. Cash, and this is my second attempt at trying to make some slime at home here with stuff I found around the house. If you remember from the first time when I made the slime in this big silver bowl, I added, I think, equal amounts of glue and water, and then I added some laundry detergent, and it just clumped up into this sort of paste. It wasn't slime at all. It didn't work. So I found a different recipe this time. So I'll go through the recipe as I'm making it. The first ingredient is 1 cup of glue. So that's going to make up the bulk of the slime. So we'll just pour this in. So this is a 1 cup measuring container. 1 cup is also known as 8 ounces. Okay, so there's a cup. Set the glue over there and pour that in. It's all sticking to the sides and bottom. That's good. Glue should be sticky. Okay, get all that in. A little bit more stuck onto the bottom. Okay, good. I think that's pretty good. Then it says the next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of baking soda. So baking soda, so here's a tablespoon. So I just have a measuring thing in the baking cupboard. So this is baking soda. And I'm going to measure this out. Now I'm not going to pour it over top here in case I spill and then I've messed up my measurements. So I'm just going to pour it beside. See, it popped out. If I did that over top, it would have all come out inside my slime by mistake. So there's 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Then mix the baking soda into the glue. So in my head, I'm kind of wondering, why? What is the baking soda doing to the glue? I'm going to try and find that out somewhere. It does feel like it's doing something, like it's clumping up a little bit, but maybe that's just the glue. Okay, that's mixed in. Then I'm going to put in my food coloring, which is optional. You can put that in. So I'm going to make it a nice blue color. So I love this part because it makes these beautiful swirls. Look at that. It's already clumping up a little bit. I mean, the baking soda has done something to the glue. The last ingredient is going to be contact lens solution. Okay, so that's put in now. So the last ingredient. So I need my 1 tablespoon measurement again. So the last ingredient is contact lens solution. So this, it's not soap, but there is chemicals in it that make it slippery. And maybe this is the magic ingredient that makes the slime. So I'm going to fill up 2 of these, 2 tablespoons. So there's 1. And there's 2. Oh, I got to rescue my stir stick. I'm going to get rid of that and use a new one. Okay, this is when the magic should happen, I hope. Look at that. Everything's sticking together now. So it looks like something has happened. Now I may need to get my hands involved here. So this is far more successful than last time. Look, it comes off and it's not even wet. All right, sorry, I bumped the camera a bit there. So I'm going to use my fingers to try and mix this together. Look, it all comes off the bottom. That contact lens solution definitely did something. Oh, I'm so happy. This has finally worked. And I finally have some real slime. It says on the website where I found this to really mix it together well by doing this. Because I guess if you leave some parts of it sticky, it'll stick to your hands. You don't want that. Look at that. Success! And my hands don't even feel wet anymore. It's like all of the liquid, all the wetness of the slime is locked in to the slime, and it's no longer wet or sticky or gross or anything. It's completely changed. Look, my hands are dry. It's not messy at all anymore. So there's the slime. That is a great recipe. Look at that. And it's not sticky. So those proportions were perfect. So I'm going to put up on the screen right now, here's the recipe. 1 cup of white school glue, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, some food coloring, and then 2 tablespoons of contact lens solution. That contact lens solution, that is what turned it into slime. So there we go. I have successfully made some slime. I hope you enjoyed that. So now I can store my slime in a bag and I can play with it all I want over the summer. What happens if I pull it apart? There's little bubbles inside. Good luck to you if you're making slime. I hope it works out for you.